Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. Today, we are going to start our class for third class term 1. Can you see here? Third class term 1 in science. Our first lesson, what is the first lesson name? Living and non-living things. Okay? Living things and non-living things. Look at the picture. What you are seeing in the picture here. In the picture above, there are birds, the sun, people, a dog, plants, chair, a book and so on. What we are seeing in the picture, here it is a tree, here birds, here sun, here table, here girl, here human beings, plants, and all those things we can see. Some are natural things, some are man-made things. Okay, we can see in this picture. Okay, things such as sun, plants, dogs and birds are found in nature. These are called natural things. Things such as sun. Sun is a natural things. Natural means क्या? कुदरती. कुदरती को क्या बोलते हैं? Natural. Things such as sun. Sun is a natural things. Plants are also natural things. Dogs and birds. These all things are found in nature. That's why these things are called as an natural things. Next, things such as tables, chairs and books are made by human beings. These are called human man-made things. Means things can you say like chairs, tables, books, these all are natural things? No, these are man-made things. Table can make and carpenter make and tables, chairs and humans are making these things. No, so that's why these things are called as an man-made things. Okay, some natural things such as plants, animals and human beings are living things. So all the natural things, in that some natural things are living things, like plants are natural things, animals are also plants, animals and human beings are natural things, because they are living things. Living things to live, what they need to breathe. So these are all living things. Other natural things such as the sun, the moon, water and soil are non-living things. Means some natural things, some other natural things are non-living things such as sun, moon, water, soil. So these things can breathe? No, they cannot breathe. That's why they are non-living things. Okay. Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Let us learn about the differences between living and non-living things. Okay, living things are different from non-living things. What are living things here? Like plants, animals and human beings are living things, and non-living things like sun, moon, water, soil, table, chairs, these all are non-living things. So what is the differences between these living and non-living? We can discuss now. Living things need food. First, what is this? Living things need food. Living things need food to live and to grow. What living things need? To survive, to live, they need an food to live and to grow. Without food, they cannot live and they cannot grow. They can't be healthy. Most plants make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. How plants are making their food? With the help of what they are using? They are using air, water and sunlight. With the help of these three things, the plants make food in their own way. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. How animals are getting food? Animals are getting their food from plants. Some animals will eat plants and some animals will hunt the other animals and eat the meat of that animals. No, so they are getting the food from plants and other animals. For some months after you were born, you had only milk. Then you started eating other food. The food you ate help you to grow. So suppose for human beings what happened? Can you have you seen a newborn baby? What the newborn baby will do? They had only firstly milk. They cannot eat directly food. No, they had only milk. Then slowly starting. They are grown up. No, what they start? They start walking, running, and then eating. So after eating the food, what they need, what happened, the food you ate, what the food they ate, it helped them to grow. Okay, have you understood this topic? I think remaining topic we will see in next class. And your homework is write any 5 living and non-living things. Just now I explained about living things. No, what are living things? Which breathe, that we are calling as an living things, like plants, animals, human beings. All these are an living things, and non-living things are man-made things which are made by man, that are called as an non-living things, like chair, tables. Write any five. Okay, this is a new homework. Thank you.